Which of the following deals with economic offense? Answer is D. Conservation of Foreign Exchange and Prevention of Smuggling Activities Act 1974. In India, inflation is measured by. Answer is D. National income deflation. Which of the following programs meets the credit needs of poor women? Rashtriya Mahila Kosh. National income is the dash. Answer is C. Net domestic product at market price. Which of the following programs aim at the promotion of savings among rural women? Answer is B. Mahila Samruddhi Yojana. Which is the largest commercial bank in India? State Bank of India. Bank of Hindustan is the oldest bank in India. So, when did it start functioning? So, answer is B. In the 1770. The Bank of Calcutta, Bank of Bombay and the Bank of Madras are merged in 1921 to form. Answer is C. Bank of India. When was the Reserve Bank of India established? Answer is A. 1935. When was the Imperial Bank of India nationalized to form the State Bank of India? Answer is D. In the year 1955. The Africa Fund, Action for Resisting Invasion, Colonization and Apprehend under the Indian leadership was instituted by NAM, that is, Non-Aligned Movement. Rohinton Barbara Trophy is associated with cricket, inter-university. Rangaswamy Cup is associated with hockey. Earth Factory is situated in Alua, Kerala. Pakistan left the Commonwealth in 1972 but rejoined as 49th member of the Commonwealth in 1991. Primary rainbow is formed with light surfaces, one internal fraction before emerging out of the drop. The ancient Olympic Games come to a sudden end when the Roman Emperor Theodorus banned them as a paper manifestations. The modern Olympic Games were received after a lapse of nearly 15 centuries. Reproductive cells in the human beings are produced. Answer is A. In a greater number for a longer period of time in the male. Study of earthquake is known as.
Seismology is the study of earthquakes and the structure of the earth by both naturally and artificially generated seismic waves.
In 2005 Australian Tennis Open Championship, titles for men's and women's singles are won respectively by Martha Safin and Serena Williams. The fourth edition of Raisina Dialogue has begun in New Delhi. Vice Chairman of Rajya Sabha Haribhasan Narayan Singh launched a book titled A Crusade Against Corruption at the Press Club of India in New Delhi. The author of the book is dash. Answer is B. Manohar Manoj. The central government has given a nod for the Centre for Classical Language in which city of Kerala? Tirur. Answer is D. Which state government announced distribution of free soaps to encourage farmers to enroll in the Atkal Solar Krishi Pump Yojana? The state is Maharashtra. Who conferred textile awards in New Delhi and presented the Comcative Awards on IG registered handicrafts? Sri Venkaiah Naidu, also the Vice President of India. Who resigns as the President of World Bank? Jim Yong Kim. The second edition of Khelo India Youth Games will start in Dash Maharashtra, Pune. Which country declared the ancient Hindu religious site of Rajitra as national heritage? Pakistan. Name the Indian woman who has joined the International Monetary Fund, that is IMF, as its chief economist recently. Answer is A. Geeta Gopinath. Who has been appointed as the Director General of Shastra Salim Bal SSB, Sri Kumar Rajesh Chandra. Who among the following was sworn as the Chief Justice of Nepal Supreme Court, Justice Om Prakash Mishra? Which ministry has introduced a 70-point grading index to assess the quality of school education offered by the states? C. Ministry of Home Affairs. Who won a Best Actor in Motion Picture Drama of 76th Annual Golden Globe Awards? Rami Malek. Sri Equipment Finance and this bank entered into an agreement for financing the micro, small and medium enterprises, that is MSME and agriculture sector. UBI. The first Indian state that has established a Brahmin corporation amid to help poor people from Brahmin families. Andhra Pradesh. The Polavaram irrigation project created 2 Guinness World Records for pouring the highest amount of concrete and largest continuous concrete pour in 24 hours. This belongs to the state of Andhra Pradesh. Who has reduced the UPI transaction charges from 25 paise to 10 paise up to 1000? National Payments Corporation of India. African Lion 2019 is a joint exercise between which 2 states? Morocco and US. Who was named as a female sportsperson of the year in the ESPN India Multisport Awards 2018? PV Sindhu.